6 Health Benefits of Salad Greens. Spring's rebirth of greens means you can put in-season salads back on the menu and reap their many health benefits. 1. Build your bones. Spinach, radicchio, and watercress may not immediately come to mind as foods for keeping bones strong, but all contain lots of vitamin K. A study at Tufts University in Boston found that low dietary intake of vitamin K in women was associated with low bone mineral density. The study didn't find a link in men. Just 1 cup, 250 ml, of chopped watercress has 100% of your daily vitamin K, radicchio, 120%, and spinach, 170%. 2. Sharpen your eyesight. Toss together a salad of spinach, romaine and red leaf lettuce. They all contain loads of the carotenoids vitamin A, lutein and zeaxanthin'key to seeing better. Vitamin A helps eyes adapt from bright light to darkness. Lutein and zeaxanthin can help filter out high-energy light that may cause eye damage from free radicals. 3. Rev up your muscles. Recent Swedish research found that inorganic nitrate abundant in spinach resulted in muscles using less oxygen. The study, which had healthy participants ride an exercise bike before and after taking a dose of nitrate, found it improved the performance of the mitochondria which power our cells in muscles. 4. Fight breast cancer. A small study done at the University of Southampton, UK, showed that phenethyl isothiocyanate in watercress disrupts the signals from tumors that cause normal tissues to grow new blood vessels to feed cancer cells. Participants, who had all been treated for breast cancer, ate a cereal bowl-size portion of watercress. The study showed a key protein in the signaling process was affected. Although more research is needed, the study states, dietary intake of watercress may be sufficient to modulate this potential anti-cancer pathway. 5. Protect your heart. Whip up a Caesar salad to benefit from romaine's high levels of 2 heart-healthy nutrients. 2 cups, 500 ml, of shredded romaine contain 40% of your daily needs of folate and 10% of fiber. A study done at Tulane University in New Orleans showed that the higher the level of folate in a person's diet, the lower the risk of stroke and cardiovascular disease. Soluble fiber has been shown to reduce the level of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol. 6. Reduce risk of diabetes. Chronic magnesium deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and the development of insulin resistance. 2 cups, 500 ml, of spinach contain 16% of your daily magnesium needs. Arugula has 6%. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.